Hi, and welcome to 3dmotive.com. My name is Stephen G. Wells, and I'm a senior 3D artist. In this continuing series on the introduction to ZBrush, we're going to investigate Dynamesh, how it's basically endless clay. We can remesh things, get good quad polygons out of it. We're going to investigate the clip curve, where we can actually trim our Dynamesh, actually condense the polygons the way we need them. We'll actually use that to create a plaque using an alpha as well. We're then going to check out the slice curve. Slice curve is different because it actually creates a polygroup within the particular subtool, and all the different things you can do to play around with that in making multiple pieces within a particular subtool. We'll then look at the ZRemesher, where we'll actually use the ZRemesh guide brush to create a low poly model that has proper edge loops where we're going to need them. And then finally, we'll take a look at QMesher, which is a very interactive, on-the-fly modeling suite within ZBrush that we'll then use to make a proxy model for what we'll use later on in this series. All right, let's get started.